Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about one natural ingredient which is totally safe and you can even eat it, which can stop the progression of receding gums, help to heal gum diseases, prevent cavities and improve overall dental health. It is magical, inexpensive and much more easier to use. Just keep this ingredient handy and you will never have dental problems even in your 60s. The problems in your mouth can come from gums or teeth. Let's talk about gums first. Most common gum disease is gingivitis, where you start to see red puffy gums that may bleed during brushing or flossing. This is often the first stage. If you ignore it, it can advance to periodontitis, where you see the recession of gums, you get pain, infection and can lead to permanent tooth loss. Sometimes you will not have any gum diseases like gingivitis, but still you see gum recession. This is due to wearing away of gums due to aggressive brushing, smoking and mainly bad oral flora. What is oral flora? Oral flora is nothing but a small community of microorganisms, mainly bacteria, living in your mouth. When there is a good balance of bad bacteria and good bacteria, you normally do not have any gums or teeth problems. But when your good bacteria decreases, you will start seeing cavities, gum diseases, bad breath, even though you are brushing and doing mouth washing regularly. So it is important to fix the oral flora. Now let's talk about the teeth. The first stage is weakening of enamel. Consuming sodas, high sugar food and bad bacteria can weaken the enamel. At second stage, you can see the brown color lines or spots on the teeth. This is called the tooth decay. In the third stage, the decay goes deep and cause cavities and sensitive teeth. At this stage, you must fill in your cavities. If not, it's going to progress. At later stages, it can cause tooth infection and even loss of teeth. So overall, both your gums and teeth are important for your best overall dental health. So what is the effective way to maintain the overall dental health? If you are using commercial mouth washes, they have different pH levels, sugars and sometimes alcohol. They not only kill the bad bacteria but also kill the good bacteria. This causes imbalance in the oral flora. That's why many people get gum diseases even though they use their mouthwash regularly. So instead of using commercial mouthwashes, the best way to keep overall dental health is using oil pulling. Oil pulling is a natural, ancient way of maintaining oral health. Oil pulling has several benefits, not just for dental health, but it also helps heart health, weight loss, etc. That fascinates scientists even today. There is a best video on oil pulling. Check out my channel and popular videos to see that. In this video, we will see an equal alternative to oil pulling. This one mouthwash can heal gum diseases, gum recession, prevent cavities and heal sensitive teeth. Mainly, it will not destroy the good bacteria. It maintains and helps the best oral flora in the mouth. Let's see how to make it. The most important ingredient is xylitol. Xylitol is most popular as a zero-calorie sugar alternative. It is naturally found in fruits and vegetables like strawberries, raspberries, plums, cauliflower, mushrooms, birch trees and corn. Xylitol has properties to prevent cavities by inhibiting Streptococcus mutans, which is bad bacteria. It reduces plaque and improves gum health dramatically. Because it balances oral flora, it helps to heal and stop receding gums and gum diseases. Himalayan pink salt. This promotes alkaline environment in the mouth, inhibits bacterial growth and reduces inflammation. It relieves pain, gum irritation and improves gum health. The minerals in pink salt can strengthen enamel. Baking soda. It neutralizes acidity in mouth, significantly reducing the chances of tooth decay and cavities. It is optional. If you want, you can skip it. Let's see how to make it. In a small glass like this, add 1 teaspoon of xylitol, a half teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt and a pinch of baking soda. As I said, baking soda is optional in this remedy. Now fill it with water. Mix the ingredients until they fully dissolve using a spoon like this. That's all, your fresh, natural mouthwash is ready. It has no side effects, no harmful chemicals, and can be prepared in 10 seconds. This is definitely healthier than most of the commercial mouthwash solutions. Simply rinse your mouth with this mouthwash for at least 1 minute. Swish thoroughly, reaching to the corners of the mouth and sensitive areas. After swishing for 1 minute, spit it out. Rinse again with fresh water. It can be used by children and adults. Note, if you have dogs in your house, keep the xylitol away from them because xylitol is dangerous to dogs. Do this remedy at least once a day. Better to do it before going to the bed. That way you are leaving your mouth free of bad bacteria, improve the balance of oral flora, prevent cavities and help heal receding gums. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.